क्षमाशील हो रिपु समक्ष तुम हुए विनीत जितना ही, दुष्ट कौरवों ने तुमको कायर समझा उतना ही। सच पूछो तो शर्मे ही बसती है दीप्ति विनय की, संधि वचन संपूज्य उसी का जिसमें शक्ति विजय की। देवियों एवं सज्जनों, अभी आप सबने देखा भारत की शान भारतीय वायुसेना के लाइट कॉम्बैट हेलीकॉप्टर प्रचंड को, और अब तैयार हो जाइए और भी अद्भुत प्रदर्शन के लिए, क्योंकि कुछ देर में आसमान में छाने वाले हैं हमारे सारे दल के हेलीकॉप्टर, जो कि भारतीय वायुसेना में सबसे सक्षम, सशक्त और आत्मनिर्भर होने का गौरव रखते हैं। And now our pilots are also to paint the skies in Sarang colors. So get ready for an unforgettable spectacle and feel the downwash of the rotors. The team is maintaining the Yodha formation dedicated to all the air warriors as we celebrate the 92nd anniversary of the Indian Air Force. फॉर्मेशन का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं सारंग एक, जिसमें उड़ान भर रहे हैं टीम के कमांडिंग ऑफिसर ग्रुप कैप्टन संतोष कुमार मिश्रा। आज उनके सह पायलट है स्क्वाड्रन लीडर बुद्धि सागर डोंगरे। भारतीय वायुसेना ने हमेशा स्वदेशी रक्षा उत्पादन शक्ति के विकास और क्षमताओं को प्रोत्साहित किया है, और अब सारंग टीम अपनी अगली आकृति से आत्मनिर्भरता का उल्लेख करते हुए हवा में अंग्रेजी अक्षराई का निर्माण कर आपके सामने से गुजरेगी। And this I stands for you, me, our motherland, and for these indigenously developed helicopters. और अब आपकी दाहिनी ओर से आते हुए सारंग बखूबी इंडिजनाइजेशन का प्रदर्शन करते हुए।
सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है, अखियों की नींद मैंने भूखों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है।
The pilot in command of Sarang 2 is Wing Commander Janpriya with his co-pilot Squadron Leader Sachin Govind. The captain of Sarang 3 is Wing Commander Avinash with Wing Commander Veer as his co-pilot. Squadron Leader Karan Prabhakar is in command of Sarang 4 with his co-pilot Wing Commander Gokul Krishnan. And our number 5 is being flown by Wing Commander Adarsh Thakur with Squadron Leader Akash as his co-pilot today. और अब आपकी बाईं ओर से आगे बढ़ती हुई टीम जल्द ही लीडर के आदेश पर डायमंड की आकृति में तब्दील हो जाएगी। आइए सुनते हैं लीडर की कमांड सीधे उनकी कॉकपिट से। are in for a breathtaking surprise. And here goes number 4 pulling up for a stall turn. The safety officer for today's show is Flight Lieutenant Ajit, assisted by the videographers. Right above you all, Sarang 4 is exiting for a short while and will soon be back in the arena with more thrills. Bharatiya Vayu Sena, Saksham, Sashakt, Atmanirbhar, and to showcase these qualities, Sarangs are now positioning for the team's signature maneuver, the Dolphins Leap. All 3 helicopters flying abreast will pull up in the vertical plane and carry out a synchronized stall turn to the left. Please look straight ahead as Sarang 1, 2 and 3 run in for the Dolphins Leap. As promised, there goes number 4 joining up with the formation. इन खूबसूरत हवाई मशीनों को पूरी क्षमता से उड़ाने के साथ यह टीम एडवांस लाइट हेलीकॉप्टर ध्रुव की योग्यता एवं पायलटों के कौशल को ही न दिखाकर यह भारतीय विमानन प्रौद्योगिकी की प्रगामी प्रवीणता को भी दर्शाती है. And now a word about the maintenance team who ensures that these 5 birds take to the skies and return safe. The team of the technicians is being ably led by Wing Commander Priyanshu. Today here I would like to make a mention proudly that our team is presently the one and only 5 helicopter military display team in the entire world. On this note, set your gaze straight ahead as the team is rolling in for the crossover break. Both the pairs flying abreast will execute a synchronized banking until their rotors are nearly vertical and cross very close proximity. Look straight ahead for the crossover break as we await the leader's call. Everyone, please get ready to witness the unmatched precision of our pilots. As both the pairs will now close in towards each other and the pilots will execute a coordinated pitch-up, cross each other's flight path with just a hair's breadth of separation. तो अपनी नजरें दोनों ओर बनाए रखें क्योंकि आपकी दाहिनी ओर से आ रहे हैं सारंग 1 और सारंग 3 और बाईं ओर से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं सारंग 2 और सारंग 4 लेवल क्रॉस के लिए. It will be a matter of astonishment to you all that while doing these daredevil maneuvers, the aircraft maintains the distance of only 1 rotor diameter. ऐसा ही एक उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करने के लिए तैयार विपरीत दिशाओं से आते हुए सारंग 3 एवं सारंग 4 एक दूसरे को तेज गति से पार कर आपके समक्ष स्टॉल टर्न करते हुए अपने सिग्नेचर मैन्यूवर का प्रदर्शन करेंगे. Please look straight ahead for Sarang 3 and Sarang 4 in high-speed cross. Unity in diversity is India's distinction that trickles down to our team as well. Coming from diverse cultural backgrounds, speaking different languages, we all work together towards our common aim of winning hearts and saving lives. Right in front, we present a beautiful, pulsating heart to the lovely audience present here today. With love, Sarangs. And there comes a Cupid number 5 from your left, piercing straight through the beautiful Sarang heart. दर्शकों, इन रंग बिरंगे हेलीकॉप्टर को देख भ्रमित न हो। आवश्यकता अनुसार इन सुंदर विमानों की भूमिका भी बदल जाती है। भारतीय वायुसेना के श्रेष्ठतम वायु योद्धाओं की हमारी इस टीम ने समय की मांग अनुसार सभी राहत कार्यों में भी अपने सक्षम और सशक्त होने का परिचय बड़ी ही उत्कृष्टता से दिया है। And this was evident once again during the recent floods in southern Tamil Nadu. Since the team's formation, it has mesmerized the audience in Singapore, Chile, Germany, United Kingdom, Bahrain, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Russia, Dubai, and recently, 15 days ago, the Sarangs performed over the pyramids at the Egypt International Air Show. A truly proud moment for all of us. और अब अपनी नजरें ले जाइए ठीक सामने, क्योंकि सारंग आ रहे हैं अपने आज के आखिरी मैन्यूवर के लिए. Please look straight ahead as the team is coming together for a jaw-dropping display of synchronized brilliance, the Sarang split, on the soul-lilting tune of Vande Mataram. As the formation splits, the leader will pull up to present a salute to the nation. We shall listen out for the leader's call. So this was the Sarang helicopter display team, and we hope that you enjoyed the display as much as we enjoyed performing it for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're about to witness a low-level aerobatic display by the Sukhoi 30 MKI as Chola, being performed by Wing Commander A.T. Manchekar with Flight Lieutenant Batra of 222 Squadron, known as the Tiger Sharks. Now, take your gaze towards your left. Can you see the Sukhoi 30 MKI appearing on the horizon? And there he comes for a high-speed run at a speed of over 950 kilometers per hour. Shall now carry out a matchstick turn. It is a critical parameter in aerial combat. get caught with this beauty in a dogfight, it is truly unbeatable. The pilot is now positioning to carry out rolls to the right. Look straight ahead as the mighty flanker shall effortlessly carry out multiple rolls right in front of your eyes. And there he comes. Keep your gaze riveted. There he rolls. Flying in this manner requires not only a good degree of situational awareness, but also absolute mastery on the aircraft and a thorough knowledge of its capabilities. He is now carrying out a teardrop turn for a low-speed run from a left towards a right. What distinguishes the supersonic aircraft from others is the ability to fly at low speeds as well. And this is precisely what the MKI will demonstrate to you as she flies past you at near speeds of 200 kilometers per hour. Note the high angle of attack. As they say, even the winds stop to stare. As you watch, the aircraft is accelerating from 200 kilometers per hour to a very high speed. The pilot is now carrying out a left turn and positioning for a minimum radius turn. He is coming towards you to carry out a minimum radius turn. Do notice the very small radius of the turn of the flanker as he turns right and front. The flanker is a nightmare for the enemy and ensures that it always comes out as victorious. The pilot will once again carry out a max rate turn, showcasing its ability to change direction in a matter of just few seconds. This allows it to position behind the enemy at the earliest. So keep your eyes riveted onto the flanker. Sukhoi 30 MKI is now positioning for a high-speed run-in and brake. So shift your gaze towards your 2 o'clock as the aircraft will shortly approach you from your right. And there he comes at a speed of over 950 kilometers per hour. Don't be fooled by the noiseless dash as the thunder always follows the Sukhoi. That was the mighty Sukhoi 30 MKI demonstrating its superior agility. This is the only operational combat aircraft in the Indian Air Force with thrust vectoring and is truly the very best.
have next is the major success story of the Indian aerospace industry, protector of the Indian skies, light combat aircraft, Tejas. Keep your eyes glued towards your 3 o'clock onto your right. Making a move in is Group Captain Kartikeya Singh with the first maneuver of the Tejas called the snap roll. There he goes, rolling off to glory and positioning straight ahead into the aircraft is now exiting maximum range curve. As he moves away, let us remind you of the decades of efforts which have gone into making this program a resounding success. After decades of research and development by countless numbers of exceptional individuals, Tejas was finally inducted into the Indian Air Force in 2016 with the first unit, 45 Squadron, formed at Bangalore. On to your left, coming from 10 o'clock, is Tejas now positioning for the next maneuver, the red eye turn. In this maneuver, the pilot shall demonstrate true capability of the aircraft, returning the cockpit towards his right. There he goes, bluffing the adversary. Followed by a sharp left turn. That is target blocked and destroyed. Moving forward 2 o'clock, up to straight, a headshot being Tejas will be depicted. The next maneuver, the minimum radius turn. That is just a turn of bare 100 meters, turning tight almost like on a racetrack. A very offensive turn, displaying the aircraft's superior aerodynamic design and abilities. Another display of a tight shall proceed again in front of the audience for the next maneuver, the slow speed march. Keep your eyes glued onto the light combat aircraft moving out at 10 o'clock and shortly will be positioning from 9 o'clock, that is towards your left. Slow speed pass is an exceptional maneuver carried out at just a staggering speed of 120 knots. Stand by to witness a gracious effort in the blue skies. Dear audience, a big round of applause for the light combat aircraft Tejas graciously gliding in front of you. The aircraft is showing off its reserve of thrust that it still has got to itself and taking position from 2 o'clock for a right positioning for the next maneuver, the multiple rolls. All eyes glued onto the Tejas as it will be exiting the show shortly after this maneuver, carrying out multiple rolls, going on inverted in a straight leg and thereafter multiple rolls again. There she comes from the right, 3 o'clock position. Multiple rolls. Inverted, top-to style. One last line is here. That, ladies and gentlemen, was the light combat aircraft Tejas. marvelous aerobatics performed by the Sukhoi 30 MKI and light combat aircraft Tejas, we are now ready to take up the thrill by a few notches. Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, you will see 9 magnificent jets of the Suryakiran aerobatic team proudly wave the tricolor in the sky. दर्शकों, मुझे ये बताते हुए अत्यंत गर्व महसूस हो रहा है कि सूर्य किरण एरोबैटिक टीम केवल भारत की ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे एशिया की इकलौती 9 एयरक्राफ्ट एरोबैटिक टीम है। सूर्य किरण टीम की स्थापना सन 1996 में हुई और इस टीम ने 2011 तक किरण विमान में एरोबैटिक्स का प्रदर्शन कर भारतीय वायुसेना का नाम रोशन किया। सन 2015 में टीम की पुनर्स्थापना हुई, मगर इस बार हॉक मार्क 132 वायुयान पर, जिसे आज आप बहुत ही नजदीक से देख पाएंगे। सूर्य किरण एरोबैटिक टीम ने करीबन 72 शहरों में 600 से भी अधिक एरोबैटिक डिस्प्लेज करने का दुर्लभ लक्ष्य प्राप्त किया है और केवल भारत में ही नहीं बल्कि विदेश में भी भारतीय वायुसेना का परचम लहराया है। इनमें से कुछ देश हैं सिंगापुर, श्रीलंका, चाइना एवं UAE। The Suryakiran team is part of the 52 squadron. The squadron is also known as the Sharks, whose motto is Sadaiv Sarvotam, meaning always the best. Countdown has now begun. Very soon you will see the aircraft of the Suryakiran team taking over the skies. भारतीय वायुसेना जानी जाती है अपने अनुशासन, एकाग्रता और कार्यकुशलता के लिए और आज सूर्यकिरण एरोबैटिक टीम इसी हुनर और जोश को दर्शाएंगे। So ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left. Here come the ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, the Suryakiran aerobatic team, led by Group Captain Gurpreet Singh Dhillon. On the team, you will now see the aircraft moving behind onto the wings of our deputy leader, Group Captain Siddesh Karthik. The aircraft have now transformed into the shape of light combat aircraft Tejas. Developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the Tejas is a symbol of courage and self-reliance. Ladies and gentlemen, please shift your gaze to the left. Here comes the Suryakiran team in the Tejas formation.
हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। हम सरहदों के वास्ते लोहे की एक दीवार है। हम दुश्मनों के वास्ते होशियार हैं, तैयार हैं। अब जो भी हो शोला बनके कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, keep looking closely. You will now see another transformation. The aircraft will be seen forming the shape of the letter Y. And there you can see they have moved behind onto the wings of number 7, Squadron Leader Chandel. This letter Y is dedicated to the dynamic youth of the nation, the future of our country. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you is the Surya Kiran team's Yuva formation. The co-pilot of the team leader is Group Captain Ajay Dasrathi. And flying on his wings in most formations is number 2 Squadron Leader Jasdeep and number 3 Squadron Leader Vishnu. Please keep looking at the formation closely. You will see one aircraft is detaching from the formation. That's number 7 Squadron Leader Chandel, who will be back soon. दर्शकों, टीम का अगला बदलाव होगा ठीक आपके सामने। लीडर के डायमंड गो के आदेश पर आप देखेंगे नंबर 8 और 9 को एक डायमंड की आकृति बनाते हुए। So let's hear his call straight from his cockpit. And now please shift your gaze towards your left. There comes number 7 positioning for the next maneuver.
Oh gracious one, you're the sun that dispels the darkness of the unknown.
And there he inverts.
Stream of consciousness for the unthinking fool.
The aircraft that you see flying above are the Hawk Mark 132, advanced jet trainer, originally manufactured in the United Kingdom, but proudly made in India today by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Please look to your right as number 7 comes in to show you a 360-degree view of the Hawk Mark 132. Now it's time to shift our gaze straight ahead. You can see the aircraft approaching from in front of you. And on the leader's call, they will spread in the sky. Well, we are just getting started. The team will now commence their synchro maneuvers, in which we will bring the action much lower and closer to you. टीम के पहले सिंक्रो मैनूवर के लिए कृपया अपनी नजरें दाहिनी ओर ले जाएं। वहां से आ रहे हैं विंग कमांडर कुलदीप हुड्डा, विंग कमांडर एलन जॉर्ज। लेकिन कृपया अपनी बाईं तरफ भी देखते रहें, वहां से आ रहे हैं विंग कमांडर राजेश काजला और स्क्वाड्रन लीडर अंकित वशिष्ठ। Please brace yourselves as they present the barbed wire cross. Look to your right and your left, here they are. जोखिम भरे कर्तव्य इतनी दक्षता से करने के लिए कड़ी मेहनत और एक दूसरे पर पूरी तरह भरोसा करना बहुत जरूरी है। और इसी कठिन परिश्रम और अटूट भरोसे की एक और झलक आपको दिखाएंगे हमारे सिंक्रो बडीज नंबर 8 और नंबर 9। So ladies and gentlemen, once again shift your gaze towards your right. Here comes number 8. And if you look to your left, you will see number 9 coming in for the coolest high five in the sky.
हर मैदान फतेह, 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 हर मैदान
Towards your right, you will see the aircraft approaching in the shape of the letter A. And this A represents the mighty aerospace power that the Indian Air Force is today. And that's number 5 coming in from your left. आपकी ओर बढ़ते नजर आएंगे। And on my count of 3, 2 and 1, they will roll together in the sky to present an aerial rock and roll. Please look to your right. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, here we go! It's time now to shift our gaze towards the left. You will see the aircraft form a helix in the sky, resembling the DNA. And in our DNA, we store the core values of mission, integrity, and excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, the DNA maneuver. right, is our technical team, which is led by Wing Commander Paritosh Negi, Squadron Leader Dhayal, and Flight Lieutenant Manil Sharma. For the next maneuver, I request you all to please shift your gaze straight ahead, as you will see the aircraft approaching you. These aircraft will soon spread in the sky to present the Suryakiran burst. टीम के अगले मैनूवर के लिए कृपया ठीक अपने सामने देखें। जल्द ही लीडर के आदेश पर आसमान में सूर्य की किरणों की तरह फैल जाएंगे ये विमान। So look straight ahead and let's listen out for the leader's call straight from his cockpit. और ये था सूर्यकिरण एरोबैटिक टीम का एरियल सैल्यूट हमारे मुख्य अतिथि और आज की ऑडियंस के लिए।
शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां वन्दे मातरम्।